In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on restricted mode on your TikTok account. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, by turning on restricted mode, you will disable or disallow uncomfortable content, and mostly the content that will be shown to you is content that can be watched across all ages. To do this, first, if you're on the home page, go ahead and tap on profile here. Once here, go ahead and tap on these ellipses, and then go ahead and choose settings and privacy. Now under this, go to content preferences, and under this, go ahead and tap on restricted mode. As you can see, currently restricted mode is off, and if we turn it on, this will limit content that may not be comfortable for all audience. If you are okay, go ahead and tap on turn on. Here you have to choose the most appropriate. What made you turn on restricted mode? Choose one of these reasons according to your preferences. It may be you want to limit inappropriate content, or recently saw inappropriate content, or curiosity, or even other reasons. Once you have chosen any of this, go ahead and submit, and this now will be implemented on your TikTok account. So that's how you can turn on restricted mode on your TikTok account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.